What? Oh, thank you. 谢谢. You say thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6. That's all right, huh? 7. 7. 1. Stuck. Stuck. Oh, there it is. There we go. 谢谢. Say thank you. 谢谢. Thank you. Good job. You silly Willie. You're silly. You're silly. What, you want another one? That's what he needs. Daddy needs some tape on his lips. Yeah, right on the hair. Thank you. You're silly. Thank you. Just thank you. Daddy. Guess I won't have to get any laser on my hairs.
Way to get rid of them.
Yeah, look, Dr. Elwood. 1, 2, 3. Right. Very good.
Right here.
Very smart.
I think he is. Of course, I'm his mama, so I think he's brilliant.
Right.